Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to activate your US Bank debit card. Activating your US Bank debit card is a straightforward process which can be completed using a variety of methods. So let's get to them one by one. The first method is by using online activation. Start off by visiting the US Bank website using a computer, or you can also open up your US Bank mobile application on your mobile devices. Make sure to enter the correct URL in the search box. Type in usbank.com and then press enter to end up in the official website. Log into your online banking account first. If you haven't set up an online banking yet, you will need to enroll first. Click on Create a username and password in the login page in order to create a new account. If you already have an account, you will need to select your account type from the right-hand side of the screen. Make sure to enter the username in the username text box, and once you are done entering it, go to the password field and type in your correct password for your online banking account. After you are done, click on Login and log into your account. Once logged in, you can navigate to the section where you can manage your accounts or debit card and look for an option specifically labeled as Activate Debit Card. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the required information, which includes your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you are done with the necessary details, submit the activation request and your debit card should be now activated and ready to be used. Another method you can activate your debit card is by making a phone call. From the main homepage of US Bank, scroll all the way down and you will be able to see some phone numbers displayed on the screen. Simply go ahead and make a call in the number displayed. The number will be also available on the sticker attached to your debit card. It is typically a toll-free number where you can simply go ahead and make a call and listen carefully to the automated prompts. You will be asked to enter your card number, expiry date, and other verification details using the keypad, and once you follow the instructions provided, you will then be able to complete the activation process. Another option is to activate your US Bank debit card by using ATM. Insert your card into a nearby ATM machine and follow through the on-screen instructions. So that was how you can easily activate your US Bank debit card in a few different methods. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.